It is extremely important to be a handy guy because you never know when you need it. Imagine that you're at home and then something breaks, like let's say the sink breaks or I don't know, the electricity breaks, and you need to call a guy to fix the sink, otherwise the water is gonna flood the apartment or the house. From the moment that you call the person until the moment that they come, you're probably gonna lose a few things. So most of us know that you should actually close the water, but sometimes you don't think about it. And even if you could close the water, sometimes you can't close it at that point. So it's important to be a handy guy in order to be able to fix those things. So what are the things that I suggest that you become a handy guy with? The first thing that I suggest is knowing technology a little bit better, because we are living in an age of technology, and when anything breaks, you should be able to fix it without calling the company or calling a person to fix it. But of course, if you have like a big or major problem, then you should call a guy. But if it's something very small, then you don't need to call anybody, you could fix it yourself. The second thing is probably knowing a little bit about plumbing is important, because we deal with water on a daily basis. The third thing is electricity. I don't really insist on electricity. I don't know if you should do electricity, but knowing a little bit about electricity can make you feel on the safe side if there is a really minor problem. There are a lot of things that you could also do, but of course it depends on what you have or what you don't have. For example, if you have a car, then probably you should know a little bit about cars. If you have a bike, probably you should know a little bit about bikes, and the list goes on. But the most important thing that I would say is that you should at least have a toolkit for fixing multiple things. You could also learn how to use tools like a drill. And no, I didn't just buy a drill to make this video. So if you're a handy person, just leave it in the comment below and tell me what's your favorite thing to do and what are the things or the tools that you're using. Thank you for watching and have a great day.